In this Learn in 1 Minute, viewers master a fast, no-drama decision using the 3-question rule. The rule asks for the goal, then 2 viable alternatives, then the smallest step to start. Applied at home, imagine a person choosing dinner with a near-empty fridge. The goal is a satisfying meal, alternatives are pasta or a veggie stir-fry, and the first step is grabbing garlic. They skip endless debate, weigh options in a minute, then commit to the simplest feasible choice and move. This tiny framework keeps everyday decisions smooth and frees energy for bigger priorities.